If you want to change the language in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch the app language in just a few clicks, so you can use CapCut in the language that feels most comfortable for you. This is super useful if your app opened in the wrong language, if you changed your system settings, or if you simply want to work faster in a language you understand better. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app is fully loaded, look for the Settings option. In most versions, you'll find this in the main menu or within the app's Preferences area. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the Settings panel. Now, inside Settings, find the General section. This is where CapCut usually keeps the basic app preferences, including language options. Click on General, and you should see a language menu displayed on the screen. Now select the language you want from the visible list. CapCut usually gives you a menu with multiple language choices, so just scroll through and choose the one you prefer. Once you've selected your language, don't forget the final step. Click Save to apply the changes. After that, CapCut should update the interface language automatically, or after a quick refresh, depending on your version. If it doesn't change right away, you can close and reopen CapCut, and the new language should appear. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in CapCut on PC. It's a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference in how easy the app is to use. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.